Hello YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Be Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe for more videos. For today, I have a very exciting video, and I know that these videos don't come as often as one would dream, but I do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing video for you guys. I got a brand new handbag today, and I immediately wanted to film an unboxing for you guys because I feel like it'd be a helpful video of a purse that I know is very, very popular. I actually had never even heard of it until sometime last year. I saw that this bag was just, you know, it was all over YouTube, mainly the monogram version, the canvas one. But I saw that it also came out in the Monogram Empreinte, which is definitely a print that I love. And then I was lucky enough to find this particular color, which I know that I heard that it was very hard to find. And I know that that's true because I have read a lot about the bag. I watched a ton of videos before I even went out and got the bag. So it's just something that I like to do, you know, before I go out and buy a bag. I look at reviews, I really think about the colors. It's not like I don't go out and buy a bag like on a whim, like, oh, I wake up one morning and I want to go shopping for some bag that I have never even seen or talked about before. This is a bag that I have been looking at already for a long time. I saw a ton of YouTube videos, and I just thought it was finally the time to get it. And it is the Pochette Metis in the Monogram Empreinte, and I got the color Cerise, which is the red color. I feel like I wanted a bag that was a little bit different. I'm always getting the Speedies, which are my favorite, you know, and I also like the Never Full, but I wanted something that was a little bit of a more different model, but also a bag that stayed classic. I feel like red is a classic color. You always see beautiful red bags. It's not like a color. Number one, I think red is also in style now, but it's also a color that's in style for a long time. It's not like, you know, turquoise blue that maybe there's a season for turquoise, you know, but it's not like a classic color for life. And I feel like red is a classic color for life. I also wanted a smaller bag that I can use more in the nighttime, not necessarily nighttime meaning elegant, but just like when you go out at night all the time. Like you go out to dinner, you go out to the movies, you know, maybe you just go out for a drink at a bar. Just a purse that you can wear to those type of events. And I felt like it's a purse that you can wear all the time. I also wear a lot of jeans, I wear a lot of black, and I think a pop of red is something that, you know, I think could look good with any outfit. So before I keep mumbling, let me go ahead and show you the bag. It's actually the very first time today that I actually have the bag in my hands. I actually got so lucky to get the red color, and I got so lucky because I actually called the store twice. The very first time I called the store, someone answered and told me, like, forget it, you're never gonna find the Pochette Metis in the red. If you want the monogram canvas, you're gonna get on a waiting list and it takes forever to get it. Well, I guess let me just finish telling you the story of how I bought it. And then I saw online a new color came out, like a nice, pretty nude beige color, and I was like, well, maybe they have it in the nude and they don't have it in the red. And I called again, and someone else answered, a guy answered, and he was so nice. He asked for my cell phone. He started texting me photos of the bag. He's like, I don't have it in beige, but I have it in red. And I was like, wow, I just called for the red and they told me they didn't have it. He sent me pictures. I told him to put it on hold, and I went today to go pick it up. So that's my beautiful story of how I actually got the bag. So I got lucky pretty much because the first call, they told me they didn't have it. And the second phone call, 10 minutes apart, they told me they had it. So, well, here's the bag. And I see that the bag is a little bit different from last time I bought a purse. And I think it's really pretty. So then they put it nicely in the box. So, of course, this is the box. And then, of course, it comes in the dust bag, as always. So here's the purse, and it has a little top handle. This is what it looks like. That is the red color. It has a top handle. What I love the most is that it has a bigger strap inside that you can use as a shoulder bag, or you can wear it crossbody. It is such a beautiful leather. Let me put it up close so that you can see the print and you can see the color. It has, you know, the gold hardware. It has the clasp. It still has the plastic. I haven't even taken it out. It has the clasp, so it kind of like clicks down. That's what it looks like when you open it and close it. The back has a zipper, which I love the outside pocket, that you don't have to constantly open the clasp, you know, to maybe put your phone. I'll probably use it for my phone, so it's always just readily accessible. So it has a pocket in the back. the clasp in the front. And then when you open it, this is what the interior looks like. It's red with black lines. This one says, you know how sometimes the country changes? This one says Louis Vuitton Paris, and it has a strap to make it crossbody. So let me go ahead and put the strap on for you guys. So this is the bag with the strap, and I like it because it's a strap that is adjustable, so you can wear it longer or shorter, whatever it is that you like. So I like it because you can use it a lot of different ways. I hate that sometimes some bags have a strap to be worn crossbody, but sometimes they're a little short and then it just doesn't land where you really want it to land. And this one to me landed perfect. This little handle also moves, you know, you can see it kind of like goes either flat down or you can lift it up a little bit more. The handle also has a Louis Vuitton imprint there that just says Louis Vuitton Paris. Let me show you, this is what the hardware looks like on the side. I wish it would like focus more for you. So that's how the side strap holds on. And then let me show you the inside a little bit more. It has 3 pockets. One right here that's a little bit big. The one in the middle, which is actually the biggest one, but these 2 are pretty actually good size. And then a smaller one right here, and I still have all the little papers there. So pretty much you can see the sizes of the pockets by the size of the bottom. You see, this is the front bag, the big bag in the middle, and then the one in the end. So you see kind of like how, actually I did that the other way around. This is the front one. This is the front one, the middle one, and then the back one, which was a little bit smaller. So you see how the bag on the bottom is kind of like divided up into 3 little spaces, and that's exactly what you see on the inside. But I mean, it's a smaller bag, but you can definitely fit in a lot of stuff. You can fit a sunglasses case. You can probably fit a wallet, which I feel like if I were to use this one to go out at night, I would switch from like my big wallet to like a little smaller wallet. But yeah, I'm just really excited about it. I really love the color. I wonder if I can tell you exactly how much it measures. Let me get something to measure it for you guys. So let's see. The width is about, well, from the front pocket is about 9 inches, and it extends a little bit, not really into 9.5, but you see like it's 9 in that front little part. But as you can see, you know, here's the front part, but then the second little pocket in the middle kind of extends out a little bit more. So it's less than 9.5. The height pretty much from where the strap is to the bottom is 8. Taking into consideration the three pockets without squishing it too much or extending it too much is about 2 inches. So of course, you know, you can squeeze it shut or you can widen it out a lot, but I just told you it's about 2 inches just sitting naturally like this. But like you see, you can really fill it in and extend it a little bit more, which I probably wouldn't want to do because I want it to hold its shape as much as it could. The full name, I actually found this little paper of the bag, is the Pochette Metis and this is, like I said, the Monogram Empreinte in the color Cerise. Really excited about the bag. I really wanted something a little bit different, you know, for, you know, just maybe to use in the nighttime when you don't really want to carry such a big bag. And I think it's really cute like this, but I will probably most likely want to use it the most crossbody because that's just the way that I like to use it. But I'm really excited about it. Something that I'm going to start using right away. So let me know if you have any questions on the purse. And of course, I'll be letting you guys know how much I love it and how comfortable it is. The beige color that just came out, the new one, is a beautiful beige nude color. But I was so scared because since I wore a lot of jeans, I felt like the beige was just a little bit too, you know, I was just too scared to get that beige dirty with blue jeans. This one I would have to be a little bit careful. It's not as great as like if it was black where, you know, you're not going to notice any jean stain on a black purse. But I felt like the red was a little bit more durable for me than the beige. I just felt like the beige was just a little bit too delicate for me, but I'm just really excited about the bag. So that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing video of the Louis Vuitton Monogram Empreinte Pochette Metis handbag. I will, of course, let you know how I am loving it in the months to come, but I can tell you that I'm gonna start using it right away. Of course, I'll list the full name of the bag in the description box down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching Be Lounge Makeup, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.